Hey there, have you ever noticed how expensive it is to own and insure a car these days? Well, buckle up because we're diving into the world of auto insurance and why it's hitting us hard in the wallet. Today, we're going to explore the rising costs of auto insurance and what you can do about it. So let's hit the road. According to Bankrate, auto insurance rates have skyrocketed nearly 15% in some states over the past year. That means the average premium nationwide has risen by over $240, now sitting at a whopping $2,014 per year. But guess what? It's not stopping there. Experts predict an additional 8.4% increase in 2023. Ouch, so why are we seeing these jaw-dropping increases? Well, there are a few reasons behind this insurance storm. First up, we have economic inflation. Increased costs for labor, auto parts, medical care, and even new and used cars have all contributed to insurance prices shooting through the roof. Let's break it down with an example. Think about it like this. When the cost of labor goes up, repair shops charge more for fixing your car, and insurance companies have to account for that in their rates. So when you file a claim, you might end up paying more out of pocket than you would have a few years ago. Next, we have social inflation. It's about people's tendency to file or litigate claims. Simply put, more people are seeking compensation for accidents, injuries, and damages, which increases the overall cost of insurance. This means that insurance companies have to raise their rates to cover these increased claim payouts. It's like a domino effect that affects all of us. Lastly, risky driving behavior. Despite having fewer drivers on the road, traffic deaths reached a 16-year high in 2020. Speeding-related crashes jumped 11%, and alcohol-related crashes climbed 9%. These numbers are alarming. So why does it affect our insurance costs? Well, insurance companies base their rates on risk factors. If there's a higher likelihood of accidents and claims, they will adjust their rates accordingly. So reckless driving habits lead to higher premiums for all of us. But fear not, fellow drivers. We have some strategies that can help us navigate this insurance maze and potentially save some money. First off, let's talk about shopping around. Research from J.D. Power reveals that more people than ever are shopping for auto insurance to find better rates. It's like exploring different stores to find the best deals. The same goes for insurance. Take the time to compare rates from different companies and see if you can find a better offer. You might be surprised at the potential savings. Another option to consider is bundling your insurance policies. Many insurance companies offer discounts if you bundle your homeowner's, car, and other insurance policies with them. It's like getting a package deal. By combining your policies, you can potentially save some cash and simplify your insurance management. Talk about a win-win situation. Now, here's a pro tip. Never shy away from asking for discounts. Insurance companies have various discounts available, and they might not always advertise them up front. For example, if you have good grades or if you've completed a driver's education class, you might be eligible for discounts. And hey, some insurers even offer discounts if you enroll in auto pay. So don't be afraid to reach out and inquire about potential savings. It's worth a shot. Let's talk about telematics. It's software that monitors your driving style and assigns rates based on safety and mileage metrics. By driving fewer miles and driving safely, you can potentially save money on your premiums. It's like having a personal coach for your driving habits. Some insurance companies offer telematics programs where you can install a device in your car or use a mobile app to track your driving behavior. They reward safe driving practices, such as obeying speed limits and avoiding sudden braking. It's a way to prove that you're a responsible driver and potentially reduce your insurance costs. Now that's a smart move. J.D. Power estimates that telematics are becoming more mainstream, with 22% of insurance shoppers being offered telematics and 18% purchasing them. Especially with many of us working from home, this option could be a game changer. Imagine paying a small daily rate plus a per mileage rate and pocketing some serious savings. Plus, it encourages safer driving. So keep an eye out for telematics programs when exploring your insurance options. Now, before we hit the finish line, here's a word of caution. Never settle for the cheapest insurance option. Those state minimum liability policies may seem tempting, but they often only cover damages to others and not your own medical costs or car repairs. Trust me, when it comes to insurance, it's better to be safe than sorry. Accidents happen and you want to make sure you're adequately covered. So aim for full coverage that protects you and your wheels. And there you have it, folks. The road to affordable auto insurance may be bumpy, but with a little knowledge and some smart choices, we can navigate our way to better rates. Remember to shop around, bundle your policies, ask for discounts, and consider telematics. And most importantly, don't skimp on coverage. Thanks for joining us on this wild ride. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more finance tips and tricks tailored just for you. Until next time, drive safely and keep those insurance costs in check. Take care, and I'll catch you on the flip side.